Step up your welding game with the best auto-darkening helmet on the market. Welcome to Find the Fine, where we're all about finding the best gear for your needs. In this channel, we're exploring the top auto-darkening welding helmets that combine performance, comfort, and convenience. Say goodbye to frustration, and hello to a better welding experience with the best auto-darkening helmets, only on Find the Fine. Number 1. YESWELDER Panoramic 180 View Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. The YESWELDER Panoramic 180 View Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet is the ultimate choice for professional welders. With advanced auto-darkening filters and 6 sensors, this helmet provides a clear, true color view with the highest optical quality of 1:1:1:1. The panoramic 180-degree widescreen view enhances operator control, giving you a full range of vision in relation to your welding area. Not only does this helmet have top-notch features, but it's also designed for comfort. The headgear with oversized comfort cushion provides extensive adjustability and improved support for a better fit. And with the pivot-style headgear, you can work for hours in comfort. This welding helmet is compatible with cheater lenses and magnifying lenses, and meets the safety and technical standards of EN 379 and ANSI 87.1. The helmet is also great for TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma applications with a grinding feature. The adjustable knobs allow you to control the delay, shade, sensitivity and mode to your liking. This welding helmet features a lens that smoothly transitions from a dark state to a light state in a range of 0.1 to 0.8 seconds. It has 3 modes: grind mode 4 levels, cut mode with 5 to 9 levels, and weld mode with 9 to 13 levels. The helmet allows you to adjust the level of darkness according to your needs, making it a versatile and convenient tool for various welding and cutting tasks. With a 3,000-hour average battery life, this helmet is a reliable choice for all your welding needs. Other information: this welding helmet weighs 2.2 pounds and has a package dimension of 11.97 by 11.02 by 7.95 inches. The power source of the helmet is a combination of battery and solar energy, with a required 1 lithium-ion battery included. The helmet has a viewing area of 4.0 by 3.7 inches or 101 by 94 millimeters. It comes with a welding helmet, adjustable headgear, user manual, replacement lens, replacement battery, and a storage bag. The helmet requires 1 lithium metal battery, which is also included, with an average battery life of 3,000 hours. In conclusion, the YESWELDER Panoramic 180 View Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet is a top-performing helmet with a range of features and a comfortable design. Get your hands on this game-changer today and take your welding to the next level. Pros: auto-darkening, true color optical, side windows for a better view, increased battery life. Cons: some customers reported for pretty flimsy materials, little heavy. Number 2. ESAB Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. Transform your welding game with the ESAB Sentinel A50. The ESAB Sentinel A50 is the ultimate welding helmet, designed to deliver maximum comfort, performance, and protection. With its sleek black low-profile design, high-impact resistant nylon shell, and ergonomic halo headgear, this helmet is the perfect choice for professional welders. Featuring a color touchscreen control panel, the Sentinel A50 allows you to easily adjust settings and choose from 8 different memory settings. With an infinitely adjustable 5-point headgear, you can find the perfect fit for your head, ensuring maximum comfort and balance during long welding sessions. The viewing lens measures 3.93 inches by 2.36 inches and provides a crystal clear view with a 1/1, the first or the second of May 13 ADF, or auto-darkening filter. The external shade 4 grind button ensures easy access to grinding mode, allowing you to quickly switch between welding and grinding tasks. For even more convenience, the ESAB Sentinel A50 also has a hard hat adapter option, making it easy to use with an ESAB hard hat, excluding Canada. With its real color technology and 9.27 inches of viewing area, you'll enjoy a clear and vibrant view of your work. And with a low amperage TIG welding range down to 2 amps, this helmet is the perfect choice for even the most delicate welding projects. Other information. The item in question weighs a total of 4 pounds and has dimensions of 21.65 inches in length, 13.78 inches in width, and 13.78 inches in height. It requires the use of 2 CR2 batteries and is intended for commercial usage. So if you're ready to take your welding game to the next level, grab the ESAB Sentinel A50 and experience the ultimate in welding protection and performance. Pros. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable user experience. The high-impact nylon construction guarantees durability. The color touchscreen adds a modern touch to the device. With 8 separate memory modes, you can easily store and switch between your preferred settings. The inclusion of a grind option makes this device versatile. Cons. The device requires basic C batteries, which may not be as convenient as a rechargeable battery. Replacing the lens can be costly. Number 3. Miller 280045 Black Digital Infinity Series Welding Helmet. Revamped and refined, Miller Black Digital Infinity Series Welding Helmet with Clear. Looking for a welding helmet that offers precision, versatility, and comfort? Look no further than the Miller Digital Infinity Series. With a massive 13.4 square inch viewing area, you'll enjoy unmatched clarity and visibility on the job. The Clearlight lens technology delivers high-definition optics for precise arc recognition, while InfoTrack technology tracks your arc time, offers a timer, and provides a help menu. And, with 4 operating modes, weld, cut, grind, and X mode, you'll have the versatility you need to tackle any welding or cutting task. The Digital Infinity Series is designed with your comfort in mind too. The redesigned headgear features an oversized cushion for enhanced support, and provides extensive adjustability to ensure a perfect fit. Plus, with 4 independent arc sensors, you'll enjoy a fast lens response, even in low amp or obstructed welding conditions. And, with an accessory kit that includes a helmet bag, 5 outside lenses, and 2 inside lenses, you'll have everything you need to keep your helmet in top shape. The Digital Infinity Series is backed by a 3-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Other information. The package of the item in question measures 12.25 inches in length, 10.75 inches in width, and 10.25 inches in height. The weight of the package is 1.41 kilograms. The item itself has dimensions of 12 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. Upgrade your welding experience with the Miller 280045 Digital Infinity Series Welding Helmet with Clear. Order yours today. Pros. Clearlight lens technology for natural and accurate tones. Versatile cutting modes for all welding and cutting applications. Adjustable settings for a perfect fit. Unbeatable visibility with 13.4-inch viewing area. Quick lens response for optimal performance. Cons. Limited to battery power, no solar option. Quality of headgear may be lacking. Heavier than some other welding helmets.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section. If you want to buy this products, link is given in video description box. Thanks again.